Yo, what's good, y'all? Back at it again. Got a pair of Jordan 16 bred 16s. Need some glued work done on the left and right shoe. I think it was the back on this one. Yeah. Got these and a pair of foams and a pair of bred 4s that I'm gonna be working on this weekend. So these need some glue also. Deep clean on all of them. I think that's it. Yeah. And then deep clean and repaint on a pair of Jordan 4 bred 4s. We'll get some videos of all three. I'm gonna try to get these done, all three of them this weekend. Y'all stick with me. Watch your man work. Woo! It's good, y'all. Still at it. Finally got the glue on, sealed up both shoes. I'm gonna have to do some painting back here because where the shoe came apart, it ripped some of the leather away and some of the paint, so I'm gonna have to repaint that. I'm gonna deep clean both of these shoes. Got both of them sealed up pretty damn nice. Glue access to a minimum. If y'all need some restore work done, don't hesitate to message me, because every time I do a video there's always 3 or 4 people that hit me that want to get something done. So if y'all wait till last minute like y'all want to get stuff done for Christmas, need to holler at me now. Alright, I'm gonna do a video of me deep cleaning both of these, and I'm gonna get these out, shipped, and back to the people that own them. Alright, y'all, keep it locked. Peace. It's good, yeah. Gonna get into these deep cleans. I already glued them all up, like I said in the last video a couple days ago. But we're gonna get down to deep cleaning them inside and out. Glue jobs came up pretty nice. Everything's all sealed up. Alright, y'all, keep it locked. Alright, getting to the deep cleans. Normally when I do deep cleans, I do them with taking everything out, the laces and everything, but when customers have frayed laces, I don't like to take them out because then it's hard to put back in. So that's my only exception. Alright, y'all, keep it locked. Alright, y'all, this is the final product, all cleaned up, ready to be shipped off. Customers gonna be happy with these, I think. If y'all need anything, holler at me. These are all sealed up and deep cleaned also. So glue job on both, deep clean. Customers gonna be happy, I think.